What's up guys, this is Mike from Get Lowered with an overview of the first manufacturing leather roper gloves. The roper gloves give riders a full leather short cuff glove option with several different color choices. From the oxblood red that we're highlighting to black, whiskey tan, and two-tone options as well. You won't get any major frills with the ropers, but starting at just $30 for their solid color options, you get nice value. Let's take a quick look at a couple of features of the gloves. An elastic stretch cuff makes them easy on or off, while touchscreen pads on the pointer finger and thumb are a nice touch to access your devices in a pinch. We found the ropers fit pretty true to size, though if you have wider fingers you may want to grab a size up. Outside of that, these gloves look good and the value is there. Like every product we sell, the roper gloves ship fast and free anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you have any questions for us, let us know in the section below. This is Mike from Get Lowered. See you next time.